Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Isuzu D-MAX, stock number 6525. This ran from the 10th 2008 to the 5th 2012. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, rear tailgate 110, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack CD player stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,